Hey guys, and welcome to a new episode of Smoothie Galore. Today we are making a sweet and creamy beet berry smoothie. For your ingredients today, you'll of course need 1 beet chopped, half cup frozen cranberries, and a half cup frozen strawberries, along with 2 frozen ripened bananas, and we can't forget 1 1/4 cup unsweetened almond milk and a scoop of my favorite protein powder, Vegan Smart. We'll start by pouring in that almond milk for some healthy fats, but you can also use any plant-based milk you like. Next, let's toss in those bananas for some potassium, then those frozen cranberries and strawberries for a load of antioxidants. We can't forget those beets, which are great for blood circulation and heart health. Last but not least, a scoop of Vegan Smart for added protein and even more vitamins and minerals. So now let's pop on that lid and blend everything together. And there you have it, a delicious, sweet and creamy beet berry smoothie. Be sure to share this with a friend, family member, or coworker, and please be sure to leave a comment below about anything else you would like to see in the future. And last but not least, follow our page on Instagram and Facebook at Smoothie Galore. Let's get it.